Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a very interesting video to share with you all, installing some sequential mirror turn signals for the Focus ST. So technically, this is not Focus ST specific. It's built for the Ford Kuga Ecosport. I don't really know what that is, but these are a direct match for the US version of the Focus ST 2013 to 2018. There was some issues that people had with the EU and the US version for their Focus STs, but this is in fact the correct version for the 2013 to 2018 US Focus STs. So I ordered this off of AliExpress. They were only $25. That's it. Only $25. This is what it looks like. Comes with a plastic flat tool thing to pry some stuff. And then the two lights. So this is what they look like. They're just replacements for our clear turn signals on the Focus STs. So they're smoked, so they're pretty deeply tinted, which is kind of cool. What else? Oh, another thing. So ordering these off of AliExpress, they did take 5 weeks to get here, which is quite a while, but only 25 bucks, you know. I think they're going to be a pretty cool addition to the car. So for the install, so yeah, we have that plastic clip that they gave us, but I also have a flathead screwdriver just in case that doesn't work. And then the other thing we need is some double-sided tape. So I have double-sided 3M tape here, and that's it. So let's go pop off the mirror caps on the Focus. All right, so I got my whole lighting studio set up, a bunch of lamps. The first thing we need to do is pop this cover off. And to do that, there's going to be one tab here and one tab here underneath. So in order to access that, we need to turn this mirror all the way down and either left or right. We'll go to the right. So we're going to go down and right so we can get this tab that's in here. Okay. So see how I pulled it down and out from it? Now it's disconnected. So I just need to do this other side and then we can pull the cap off. So I got the screwdriver in there. Now I've disconnected it, as you can see. All right, so now let's pull the cap off. So it should just pull off. Like that. See? Got it off. Pretty easy. I tried to show you guys exactly what I was doing. Okay. So this is a good chance to clean this off. Okay, clean that off. Next step is to take this indicator off. So this one's just held on by one tiny tab. It's going to be in here. Okay, so for this one, there's a tab right here. You just push in and back. There we go. All right, so the tab's popped out, and then this just comes out like that. Okay, so the next thing is to detach this. So just grab it by the housing up here and just twist out like that. So this is now detached. And then the last thing is to pull this bulb out. It just pulls out like that. So that's it. So grab your new indicator and make sure this is the right one. So just test fit, goes in like that. And so then we just, it doesn't matter what side, it's the same. And you just slide it in like that. All right, so that's in there. So before continuing, I'm gonna go make sure this works. Okay, so as you can see, it works. Don't worry, that's not the actual color. It's because of the film on there. It's an orange color. But yeah, just double check to make sure it works. All right, so the light goes just like this. However, if you clip it in there, there's gonna be a tiny bit of wiggle room right here, just because there's space between this back and the back side right here. So that's why we need that 3M double-sided tape. But we need to triple stack it, otherwise it won't fill the gap. So let's go do that. Okay, so let's take our tape, and it's about, I already kind of measured it, so right about there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but okay. So we have that all triple stacked like that. Let's go back to the car. Okay, so after we got our triple layered 3M double-sided tape, I'm going to press it in here. Make sure it's a good seal. Okay. So that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna take that corner I pre-peeled. Okay, there we go. So that's peeled off, and then the last thing to do is to put it back in here. Oh. All right, so I'm just putting a bit of pressure on here to activate that adhesive to get it to stick. So that's probably good. Looks like it's in there, doesn't wiggle, which is good. Okay, and then the last thing to do is put the cap back on it. So I come from the right, line up some of these tabs. There it goes. Cool. Alright guys, so just finished up the install. Here's what it looks like. So this is black, this is black. Well, technically it's smoked, but doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, so here's the difference between the two. So here's what it looks like with the hazards on. So just keep in mind that they do synchronize with the front hazards. The light remains on the same duration of time. So yeah, I'll grab a clip of the hazards going off during the daytime, and that'll be it for this video. Alright guys, so here it is during the daytime. So you can clearly see it during the daytime. It's way better than the factory indicator lights. And it's a nice little custom addition to the car. So I think they look pretty freaking cool. Alright guys, I appreciate everybody watching this, and hopefully this was helpful for anybody trying to do this to their Focus STs. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.